In this demonstration, I'll guide you through the PBX Data Logger UI and show the main elements and functions so you can easily start using our software. Click on the Advanced PBX Data Logger to start the program. The main window appears where you can see all incoming data. This is raw, unparsed data. At the bottom, you can control the program status and protocol messages. Here you can switch between data sources if you connect more than 2 PBXs. The plus button allows you to add a new data source with fully different settings and with various interface types. Now, I'll show the main program features. This is the window with the communication settings, like an IP address and port. Some additional TCP-related settings that you can leave by default. The log file settings let you create a new log file whenever you need to. Click on Log File Access to adjust access permissions. You can use the log deletion page to set up automatic cleanup of log files. Moving forward, click on Other for additional options. The Data View Mode tab allows you to display data in an appropriate format like CSV or JSON. Click on the Display Data Before Parsing option, and the program will display raw data. Click on the Date Timestamp tab to configure timestamp options. Additional options here allow you to define a custom name for the connection and protect the configuration from being changed by a password. Click on the Modules tab to see available extended features. Here, you can select a parser for your PBX data. The parser will decode the raw data and extract each individual value. Next, click on the Data Export tab to choose Export Options. This list contains all possible export options that can work at the same time. Double-click on the name of the Data Export plugin to view the available export options. You can configure connection settings with a desired database. Exporting to a database is required if you'll use our PBX Reports utility later. Configure what items you want to write to the database table. A parser extracts multiple items from a CDR record, but you can export only the values you need. Select the local database plugin in the list that allows you to create CSV or XML files with data. Click on Setup for configuration. Choose the desired file type in the local database field. Select the Text Files option if you want to export to CSV files. Adjust export options for the selected data format. Click on the Columns Order tab to arrange the columns for export. Select the column index, data type, column size. Click on OK to save the settings. Click on the Direct Excel Connection plugin if you would like to export data to Excel in real time. Click Setup to configure export settings. To export to a workbook, click on the Workbook tab and configure Excel file settings like path, name, and rotation mode. Click on the Worksheet tab to configure worksheet options. Adjust a data format if it is necessary. On the binding page, you can choose which items to export to Excel and assign each one to the appropriate column in your Excel worksheet. For every item, you can select the parser item name, column, and number of rows. Click OK to save or cancel to discard the changes. To enable the necessary export plugin, you should place a mark before the plugin name. Finally, click OK to save and apply the configuration settings. All created configurations appear in the Options menu. Here, you can get access to the program-level settings. Some program customization options are here. Timestamp format settings allow you to select from standard variants or define your format. These settings are related to the program's protocol file with all program messages. You can configure the service mode if you start the program as administrator. Right-click over the program icon and select Run as Administrator. Another useful option is to protect the important program functions by a password. Click OK to save and apply the program settings. Furthermore, you can change the data view mode to display parsed values in the main window. Choose Display Parse Values and the desired data format. Click OK to save and apply the settings. Now, the program displays parse values. Data export plugins work in real-time background for every new record. That completes the demonstration. By following these steps, you can configure the program for your needs with confidence and ease. Thank you.